Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to track cycling workouts with HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro. Okay, so first let me show you how you can start a workout on your watch. I will zoom in a little bit so we'll be able to see the screen. Now to start a workout, click the crown button, go to workout section, and you gotta find the outdoor cycling. You gotta be connected with your HUAWEI Health app, of course, and in here you can mute the sound and select the broadcast volume. You can also warm up before you start. You can select what bike you have, and if you want to start, click on Go. As you take a look, it has also appeared in my app, but normally before you do it, you will see a notification on the screen on your watch, and you need to select that you want to connect with your HUAWEI Health app, and now it has also appeared on my phone. We can also see the map, but I had to download the offline maps for that from the settings in our HUAWEI Health app. Now, it has been paused, so let me start it once again. Click on Go. Now, what settings we have? We can keep scrolling down. So we have the heart rate, the speed, the distance, and the duration. We also have the altitude, total ascent. Maybe let me zoom back. Also the grade. We have the speed, the average speed. It's ending automatically because I'm not wearing it and I'm not currently on a bike. So that is why it's like that.
Positioning signal weak. Pay more attention to your surroundings. Workout paused.
If you go to the settings, we have the mismatch prevention. We can enable the auto lock. Screen will be locked during workouts. After the screen dims, it can be unlocked by pressing and holding the crown button. If you are interested, you can turn it on. We have the auto lock crown. Crown won't respawn during workouts. After the screen dims, it can be unlocked by pressing and holding the crown. We have auto pause on. That's the thing that keeps stopping my workout currently. The device will automatically pause the workout if it detects that you have stopped, then resume the workout when you start again. We have the cycling management. We can manage our bikes and our profile. We have the data display on each card, such as training stress and the route. You can also reset the settings right in here, down below. We have the reminders, such as interval. We can also enable the heart rate and the target zone. You can also select the BPM, and also we have that training stress. I have shown you the broadcast volume in the beginning. We also have the location services, and we can enable the always on, so the screen will be turned on during the whole session. And here we can update the maps. Currently it won't show any route because I'm standing in one place and I'm inside of the building, so it won't work perfectly. We also have the shortcuts. We can enable or disable the music and the metronome. As we keep scrolling down, we can enable or disable, do we want to display the workout on the phone? Let me resume it on my phone. And the workout, of course.
Workout resumed. Workout paused.
You can also pause the workout by simply tapping the screen.
Workout resumed. Workout
not by tapping the screen, but by clicking the crown button. That's how we can pause it. And when it comes to the rest of the things, yeah, that is all. And now,
workout resumed.
if you want to stop the workout, simply start holding the crown button and keep holding that.
Workout paused.
Click on end.
Workout ended.
Okay. And if you want to save the recording, to check it in your HUAWEI Health app, go to the exercise, then the outdoor cycle, and in here you'll see your sessions. Currently, it's nothing ready here because I was not using the bike, so that is why we don't have any records. But after your workout, you'll be able to monitor it right in here if you select the outdoor cycle. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.